Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the most profitable type of products to sell online today. Okay, these are products that can generate you a profit of at least 90%. Okay, I'm talking 90% profit margins. This is insane. Okay, so without any time wasting, let's dive right into it. So the first digital product I'm going to be talking about is a bookkeeping profit and loss template. Now think about it. Every single business owner needs a bookkeeping spreadsheet. Okay. Why? Because they need a system that they can use to keep track of their day-to-day finances, guys. This is a very, very profitable product idea that you can tap into right now and make a ton of money. You can sell this thing on Etsy, you can sell it on Shopify, Beacons.ai, your Stan store, whatever platforms you want to use right now. This is also perfect for those of you guys who are already in the finance industry and you have clients who are looking for ways to keep track of their finances. This is a great product that you can now sell to them, guys. You can get this product from Digital World Flippers for just $12, guys. $12. It's a one-time fee. This is already done for you, and you can resell this digital product to your clients and charge, 27 bucks, 47 bucks, or even $67, guys. I've seen templates like this being sold for over 60 bucks because think about it. This template is solving a problem for a lot of small businesses. So many businesses struggle with their finances. They don't even know where to get started. But by having this template now, they can keep accurate track of their finances. And it's also going to save them a ton of money at the end of the year when it comes to hiring accountants and things of that nature, because they are going to have access to all their records nicely kept in one place. So which means it's going to save them money in the long run, right? So they're not paying the accountant more money to go fish out all the records and things of that nature. And it also helps, the business owners keep track of their day-to-day spending, their expenses, income, and the profit and loss statements are automatically created for them as well. So this is one profitable digital product, guys, that you can tap into. There's a demand for this product, and business owners are always looking for bookkeeping spreadsheets to keep track of their everyday finances. Okay. Another profitable product that you can look into, guys, again, you can buy this product at Digital World Flippers for one-time fee 17 bucks, is wholesale and dropshipping vendor list for product-based businesses and boutiques. Listen, people are looking to start their online stores every single day and they don't know where to find vendors, right? So now you can easily sell this vendor list to them, right? Charge your own prices and keep 100% profit. And you're only investing a one-time fee of 17 bucks to buy this done for you vendor list, guys. 330 plus vendors that you can now sell to somebody else out there who's struggling to find a vendor. They now have access to hundreds of vendors in one place. So this is another great digital product that you can literally tap into. Again, you can purchase this product from Digital World Flippers, $17, guys, one-time investment. Think about it. If you bought this for $17 and you sold it for $67, 47, let's say you were trying to keep it on a low, guys. 27, 37, not bad, guys. That's a huge profit margin that you're going to be making, guys, because remember, you're only paying the $17 one time, right? So when you make that first sale, you're going to recoup all your money back. And then every other sale coming after that is just pure profit. And this is a great product that you can now sell on Etsy, guys, and make a ton of money, okay? Another digital product that you guys can tap into is this wedding budget planner, guys. Listen, people are getting married every single day. And one of the hardest parts of planning a wedding is actually keeping track of the budget. So, with a budget planner as such, you can now target brides to be. And this is also great for those of you guys who are already makeup artists, you're already working with brides, you're probably a wedding stylist, a wedding planner, a wedding photographer, or you offer some form of, bridal services to your brides. This is a great planner that you can now sell to your existing clients. And if you're brand new, guys, you can sell this thing on Etsy. You can sell them on your Shopify store. Like, there's so many different platforms you can use to sell your digital products. And if you guys wanted this planner, you can purchase it for just $7 on Digital World Flippers, guys, and sell this thing over and over and over again. And everything is just pure profit after that, okay? Another digital product that you guys can sell is a social media content calendar. Think about it. Every business uses social media right now, and so many businesses are actually struggling with their social media, guys, because they have no idea what to post on social media. Think about it. If you were out there selling a social media content calendar that tells them what to post every single day for an entire year, would you agree with me that this product is going to be selling like hotcakes? Of course it is. The biggest problem that business owners have is marketing and making money in their businesses. So if you're telling them, hey, I've got a content calendar that tells you exactly what to post so you can make more money in your business and 10x your profits, it's a no-brainer. You are going to be making a ton of money just selling this content calendar, guys. And you can sell this on Etsy. You can add it to what you currently do right now in your business. Maybe you're a social media manager right now. This is a product that you can upsell to your clients, okay, or cross-sell to your clients together with the services that you currently offer them to help them with their content. Okay, so again, you can get this product at Digital World Flippers, 17 bucks, guys. And you can resell this thing for at least $37 plus, because guess what? It is solving a big problem for an entrepreneur or business owner, okay? And last but not least, another profitable digital product you can sell is an email marketing content calendar. So this email marketing content calendar comes with different email subject lines and ideas that you can use to promote your products. This is great for product-based businesses. So you could easily sell this planner to people who have online stores. Go on social media right now. People are constantly posting their products, trying to sell their products. These are people that you can now reach out to and say, hey, if you need help with your email marketing, I've got this email marketing calendar that tells you exactly what to post every single day. This just makes it so much profitable, guys, because now you're going to be attracting an audience of people that need help with your email marketing. And now you're selling a product that solves a big problem for a majority of product-based businesses. Like I said, most people don't even know what emails to send. They're out here building their email list, and they don't know what emails to send to their email subscribers. That's your target market right there, and people that you can potentially profit from right now. Okay, again, you can buy this email marketing calendar template for 17 bucks and sell it for at least $47 plus, guys. The world is your oyster, guys. And if you guys are ready to get started with your digital product business, head over to Digital World Flippers. You can get access to all those planners and templates. There's more planners and templates there, as you can see. Just get whichever ones resonate with you. One-time investment, guys, and you can resell those products on Etsy, your online store. So many platforms out there, guys, and you can generate profit forever. Okay, so I hope you guys found this video useful. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.